For smaller scale or benchtop cleaning in the electronics, medical, metal, or other industries, aerosol-based solvents may be the best solution. However, as the amount of cleaning needed is scaled up, it quickly makes sense to invest in bulk chemicals with vapor degreasing. Vapor degreasing is an excellent method of cleaning that yields consistent results and has less waste. Essentially, a vapor degreaser works by using at least 2 tanks, called sumps, while a basket or conveyor system is used to hold the items being cleaned. Cooling coils are at the top of the unit to condense the solvent, preventing it from escaping. The first sump boils the cleaning agent, a specially engineered azeotropic or near azeotropic solvent. The vapors of that solvent travel up to the cooling zone with the coils, and the second sump collects the distillate. As the solvent is boiled, parts are placed in the basket that is lowered within the degreaser, either in the vapor zone or submerged into the liquid solvent. As a final rinse, the part is suspended in the vapor zone, which contains extra pure solvent vapors. The solvent is so pure because of the nature of a distillation process, where contamination is left behind while the pure solvent evaporates. As the vaporized solvents rise, they condense on the surface of the parts being cleaned. The solvent drips off, removing any remaining contaminants, which then drop into the boiling sump. Unused vapor rises into the cooling coils, where they condense and fall into the rinse sump. The rinse sump is always full, so it constantly spills back into the boil sump, thus keeping the rinse sump free from contamination and reusing the solvent. This is called a closed-loop system, because the solvent continues to be recycled over and over again. Besides the more consistent cleaning and reduced wastes, this methodology has many other benefits. Vapor degreasing has superior cleaning results, completely independent of the operator techniques and methods. It also inherently avoids cross-contamination while still being able to reuse solvents. With a closed-loop and enclosed system, this also significantly reduces employee exposure to potentially hazardous materials. Reusing solvents, as well as being able to purchase them in bulk versus individual aerosol cans, also makes this method less expensive in the long term. Using an automated cleaning system opens up opportunities to use more readily available cleaners. Chemtronics and Techspray offer a variety of replacements for hard-to-find cleaners such as 3M's Novec and Chemours Vertrel. Not only are Chemtronics and Techspray chemistry options readily available, they offer an excellent choice of non-harmful cleaners to further reduce the environmental impact on both employees and the world. These cleaners are ideal for a wide variety of applications, from automotive and aerospace applications to medical electronics and jewelry manufacturing. This trifecta of benefits, lower cost, reduced hazardous materials, and greater availability, makes it obvious why the top names in aerospace, medical devices, and other critical cleaning applications turn to vapor degreasing. Hisco, in partnership with Chemtronics and Techspray, are available to help in the transition to this improved method of cleaning and have a wide variety of bulk chemistries available. To learn more about purchasing critical cleaning solvents or for a trial, contact us for further information.